Hi everyone, Mrs. Hall here again. You guys just saw a video with Max and Molly where Molly had hurt her hand and Max showed that he cared about her feelings by helping her find the teacher and getting a band-aid. Well, that's a great thing that Max did because we always want to let our friends know that we care about them. Now we're going to see another story about caring and helping on today's story card. This is a picture of Susie. Focus on her face. How do you guys think Susie feels? Yeah, she's looking a little sad. You can tell by looking at the clues, remember, that we learned on her face. You can see that she's frowning, her eyes are looking down, she's hugging her pillow for comfort. Sometimes we give our stuffed animals or our pillows a hug when we're sad. And so we can see that she is upset about something or sad. Well, this is her friend Jaden. And he says to her, "Susie, you look sad. Why are you feeling sad?" Then Susie says, "I want to build a tent with a blanket. You know, a fort. I want to play camping. I asked Nadia to play with me, but she said no." Jaden listens to Susie. Listening is a way to show that you care about others and their feelings. What could Jaden do to help Susie? Yep, that's right. He was thinking, well, maybe I can help her. Maybe I can help her build the fort. Maybe he's going to say, well, you know what, let's play together. Let's play something else. Maybe he's going to say, you know what, I like tents too. Let's make one. So if you had the same idea, you're thinking along the same lines as Jaden. Jaden said, "Let's play together, Susie. I'll help you build the fort. It will be fun to play camping in a tent." So now let's look at the other side of the photo after they built the tent. You see they got it draped right behind them. They're both on a pillow. And look at their faces. How do they look? Yep, they look happy. You can tell that Susie is feeling happy now because they're smiling. And both of them look like they're having a good time. So how was Jaden kind to Susie? How did he show that he cared? Think about that. What did he do first? Let's look back on this side. Look at his eyes. He's looking at Susie and he noticed her face. Instead of saying or thinking that she was okay, he looked at her face and he knew that she was not okay or that she was feeling sad. So he noticed how she was looking and how she might feel, and then he asked her about how she was feeling. And that showed that he cared. So he was kind to Susie because he noticed how she was feeling, asked her what the problem was or why she was feeling sad, and then he helped her by saying, "Let's build a tent together." You can be kind to others by listening to them and helping them. These are ways to show you care about how they are feeling. And now, please explore our Bitmoji classroom where there's lots of stories and other ways to show or learn about helping and caring for your friends. See you guys next week.